What is machine learning? Well, this is a world, and in this world we have humans, and get computers. And the main difference between humans and the computer is that, human learns from the past experience where the computer follows the set of instructions. And here is the question, that can we get computers still to learn from experience too? And the answer is yes. We can, and that's precisely what machine learning is. Of course, for the computer's past experience has a name called data. So in the next few minutes I will show you some examples of how to teach computers and how they learn from the experience. To know the machine learning, let's a look at around learning first. What do you see here? It's a table, right? Of course it's a table. You have seen many tables in your lifetime to know what a table looks like. Some legs at bottom, a top, that's a table. And what about now? Okay, that's still a table. You see, when we experience we remember important data about this and also tracks the data of what it makes to what it is. That way we see this thing again. Of course, of being similar we can better identify. The more things we see helps us to identify the same thing in different shapes. This is called generalization, and it's how we learn things, and so. Machine learning is about getting a machine to learn in a similar way to how we learn. So using generalizations so that it may perform better in the future based on what was experienced in the past. So now have a look at how it works. So there are two types of machine learning. Supervised machine learning, which deals with predicting class labels, so identify something. And unsupervised learning, which tries to discover the structure in data through clustering, similar to data mining. Here I'm gonna show you a real-life example to better understand supervised and unsupervised learning. Suppose you had a basket of fruits and your task is to arrange different fruits into groups. For understanding, let me explain the names of the fruits in our basket. We have 4 types of fruits. They are apples, cherries, grapes, banana. Supervised learning. You already learned from your previous work about the physical characters of fruits. So arranging the same type of fruits at one place is easy now. In data mining terminology, the earlier work is called as training the data. You already learn the things from your trained data. This is because of response variable. Response variable means just a decision variable. You can observe response variable in below table, fruit name. Suppose you have taken a new fruit from the basket, then you will see the size, color, and shape of that particular fruit. If size is big, color is red, the shape is rounded with a depression at the top, you will confirm the fruit name as apple and you will put in apple group. Likewise for other fruits also. The job of grouping fruits was done and the happy ending. You can observe in the table that a column was labeled as fruit name. This is called as a response variable. So finally, what do you understand about supervised learning? If you learn the thing before from training data and then applying that knowledge to the test data, this type of learning is called as supervised learning. Unsupervised learning. You have same basket of fruit and you have to do the same task. This time, you don't know anything about the fruits. Honestly saying, this is the first time you have seen them. You have no clue about those fruits. So, how will you arrange them? What will you do first? You will take a fruit and you will arrange them by considering the physical character of that particular fruit. Suppose you have considered color. Then you will arrange them on considering base condition as color, then the groups will be something like this. So now you will take another physical character such as size. So finally the job has done. So what do you understand about unsupervised learning? Didn't learn anything before means no trained data and no response variable. In data mining or machine learning, this kind of learning is known as unsupervised learning. So these are some algorithms for supervised and unsupervised machine learning. Now have a look at the applications of machine learning.